So, hey y'all, today we're going to be making slime. Let's go. So first I'm pretty sure we have the glue. Let's go. Hold on. I'm just going to do it like this. So. Okay, got it done. Let's do the next ingredient. Okay, so I have the activator open. I do not want to put too much, so let me do something. Okay, I think that's a good amount of glue. Now let's go into shaving cream. Okay, let's do shaving cream. I never touched shaving cream before. Let me do it. Okay, I added the shaving cream. Now let's mix. Y'all, I'm not kidding. It's turning into slime. Look at that. Let's go. And if y'all didn't know, this is my first time making slime. Like, my first. Y'all, I made it. Yay! It's glow in the dark too.